I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make banana loaf. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need about 3 ripe bananas, 1½ cups of all-purpose flour, and ½ cup of granulated sugar. Don't forget 1 large egg, a 1/4 cup of melted butter, and 1 teaspoon of baking soda. Make sure your oven is preheated to 350 degrees Fahrenheit before you begin mixing everything together. This ensures even baking from the start. Now that your ingredients are ready, let's get mixing. Start by mashing your 3 ripe bananas in a large bowl until they are mostly smooth. Next, add the egg and melted butter to the mashed bananas, stirring them together well. In a separate bowl, whisk your flour, sugar, and baking soda. Finally, gently fold the dry ingredients into the wet mixture. Be careful not to overmix. A few lumps are perfectly fine for a tender loaf. With your batter mixed, it's time to bake. Carefully pour the banana loaf batter into a greased 9 by 5-inch loaf pan. Place it in your preheated 350 degree Fahrenheit oven. Bake for about 50 to 60 minutes. You'll know it's done when a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. Once baked, let it cool in the pan for 10 minutes, then transfer it to a wire rack to cool completely. Your delicious homemade banana loaf is now ready to enjoy. Once it's completely cooled, slice it up and serve it plain or with a spread of butter. It's perfect for breakfast, a snack, or even dessert. If you have any leftovers, store them in an airtight container at room temperature for up to 3 days to keep it fresh. Also, be sure to check the description below for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals. This simple recipe is a fantastic way to use those overripe bananas.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.